All right, now that you're in, what you're gonna do is make your first marketing plan. And this is the first step that really helps you engage with the AI in the platform and is what you have to do to be able to get to the point where we can first understand your audience and tell you about it. So first thing you'll do is create a plan name. We're gonna say Farmer's Dog because we're gonna use an existing product for this example. So Farmer's Dog, create. You can make that name whatever it needs to be for you to remember it. It's not gonna matter in the grand scheme. Welcome to ZeroIn Assistant. So right here, you're gonna start with that simple sentence. Like I said, one sentence is all you really need. Just be as detailed as you can and just really give it the basics of what your product is. So I'm gonna say, it's a dog food made with human grade that's better for dogs. And then we're gonna hit send. All right, so it's guessing, what it's inferring from, what I've told it is that the product category is pet food, dog food specifically. It just wants to know, is it right? So we're gonna say yes, keep going. So now it's gonna sort of help you hone in on what the unique selling points, those USPs of your dog food are. So right now it's saying that it's made with human grade ingredients. Can we confirm that? And also give, a couple more USPs of the product. So we'll say, fresh dog food made with human grade ingredients, cooked in kitchens where only human food is produced, helps dogs' longevity and better for health. Hit send. All right, so now it's getting closer to really understanding what the product is that we're offering, and what it's going to tell us is what those USPs are, what that ultimate selling point is, and how those will help us understand that audience. So right now it wants to ask us about the targeted use of this product. So is it designed for a specific age, breed, or health condition? And are there specific benefits that owners can expect to see in their dogs after switch? So you can say overall, dogs will enjoy this more. They'll be eating more healthy food. And it's tailored, customized for any dog based on, what their specific needs are. All right. All right, so they've identified that it's that's a premium and personalized feeding experience for dogs. It's suitable for dogs of all ages and breeds, provides a healthy and enjoyable eating experience for dogs, offers customization options to cater to each dog's individual needs. And it just wants to know, is this correct? And if so, should we move on to the next question? Yes, and it also wants to know what is the brand name. We're gonna say, brand is the Farmer's Dog. And brief brand description for your dog food product, we'll say, dog food that is human quality. Great. And again, you're just having this conversation with the AI, and it's really just walking you through some simple things that, if you were to go into an agency, these are a lot of the sort of things that they would want to know first before they even, get into business with you and understand your product. And the key to understanding your audience is really understanding what makes your product unique. Okay, so right now it's summarizing everything that it's learned, and the chat's finished. So the next step is, we'll just hit this button. It's going to review that target audience, and it's going to start to create a report on those audiences. So we'll do that. And this tends to take, anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, and we'll just wait for that to be done, and then we'll be back.